Hey guys, it's Wyatt Fisher back again for another video about Java. I know you guys were all waiting for it. Here it is. Today we're learning about while loops. While loops is one of the many loops that perform repetitive tasks, which are blocks of code with blocks of code instead of doing it over and over and over again. Before we go more into what exactly a while loop is, let's go over two very important questions that we need to answer and ask ourselves when we're describing a repetitive task and how to be able to code it effectively. First, you have to say, what is the task? What am I trying to get out of this code? Okay. And how long do I need it to keep repeating the tasks? This basic syntax for all loops in programming languages involve these two questions in while loops. Let's look at some of the how it's laid out. So a while condition or while loop is going to look like while it has a condition and then a body of loop underneath it. The body of the loop is the task that must be repeated. The body of the loop can be a collection of statements like if-else statements. The condition is the way to tell the program when to stop repeating stuff. The body of the loop can be any set of statements, just like if statements. You can have variable assignments, if statements, calculations, even more loops inside of it if you want. The continuation condition, also known as the stopping condition, can be manipulated to do many functions, such as be based on a count, like repeating the body 10 times, be based on a user inputs, repeat until user input something that is equal to specific value and then it stops, or a continuation condition, which processes all of the elements of a collection through the loop. The possibilities are endless for this. Basically, a while loop is used to repeat a specific block of code unknown number of times until a condition is met. Okay, so let's look at the while loop example. Okay, num equals 2. Okay, while num is less than or equal to 9, print num summer and then num equals num plus 3. So basically what that's saying is that we're going to put this number into the while loop. Okay, so num is still less than 9, so it's going to print summer, put that number back in to here, so it's going to be 2 plus 3, and now the new value of num is 5. It's going to put it back up in here. 5 is less than or equal to 9. Yes, so it prints out summer again. Then we add 3 to it again to make it 8, and we're going to continue doing that until it gets to 9, which just happens to be this next time. Plug it one more time, print summer. It's going to print out 3 times at this point, and then 8 plus 3 equals 11, while 11 is less than or equal to 9. That's not true, so it stops. Okay. So that was my basic understanding and explanation of while loops. Hope you found it super useful.